Hello and welcome to our demo of report generation using the Brightchecker platform. My name's Mark and I'm going to take you through that process now. You should be able to see the screen. So we have the job that we've submitted. It's Mark's Main Property V3, which is the asset name. I was the surveyor and the survey was my first survey. You can see the job status is currently set to submitted, and I've got a little orange tick here asking me to accept a job. At this point, you accept a job, and that spends a credit, one of your credits that are in your bucket of credits you buy each month. So let's click accept job. This takes you to the report viewer screen or review screen, where you can actually see all the information that was input by the user of the app. So you can see we've got the sections, items, questions, and then the actual answers to those questions. You can adjust them if you notice there's a typo or an error or anything like that. And you can actually view notes just by clicking on the notes, and you can see some issues that have been caused by the wind there and fallen over toy and something else. They're just the two images that we attached. Let's close that down. So if we want to, how do we get a report from here? Well, here you go to reports and you click new online report. It says untitled report at the moment, and you can edit. So we haven't got anything in here at the moment, so we're just going to call it my first report. And we're going to click save, just to save the new name. So the quickest way to get the data out of the system is by creating a content page, but no content page is complete without a cover page. So let's put a cover page in first. We click create page, and you can see we've got 5 designs there of cover pages. So let's pick one. We can put a main image in. Let's probably go for the logo first, as it's opened up logos. Let's do that. Go to pictures. I'll put one of my old kitchens. Actually, I did see my old house there. Let's put that on there. Background color is the primary color, so where the navies are in particular on these designs, let's just put that to navy, and we can put the accent will be like icons and shapes and banners and stuff like that. So let's make that one orange. You can actually make them any other color just by clicking the actual rectangle and clicking RGB to get to hex, and you can put in hex values and RGB values. Let's put my cover page. Generally use that for the title of the actual report, like inventory or whatever, and you can put I am the cover page content. So you can see how that is then populated. Let's name the page cover and insert the page. And now we need to just get our content and present that. So let's click create page and go to content. We've again got a number of designs on here that you can pick from. You can pick from all inline imagery or larger images appended to the end of a page. Let's go for that one, the white page. So when you're in here, you can name that page. We're just going to call it content page. Obviously, system's very flexible. You can pretty much use it for whatever you want. So let's just call this my content page. There we go. You can choose to show your data by section or by item. Normally we choose section because you've sort of structured your survey that way anyway. We can pick layout one or both sections or all of them, and it will pull it through. So we can leave everything else as is. We can display a single section per page if we want to, but it's up to you. You can also filter when you've got a lot more data in the system and stuff like that. You'll be able to pull some filters through for what you're presenting. We'll have advanced tutorials on that on another video, not for today. So let's click insert. Now you can see we've got a cover page and a content page, order 1 and 2. You can drag and drop if you need to move pages around for whatever reason. Let's click View HTML, and then you can just see the report render. So we've got there's a fairly lowish resolution image on the back there, which isn't a problem. We can change that in a moment. So it's on screen. You've then got my cover page. I'm the cover page content, and then my content page, and I'm the content of the content page. And you can see the section is lounge and kitchen. Your item is then listed as questions, and then the sign off. So that was the data that we input. You can see the images. Click on them to actually pull them up, so you can see them in full resolution, which works quite well. And then if you want to look through them as a bit of a gallery, just select the larger images at the bottom of the page, and it will be clickable like that. That is it. That is the easiest way to get your data out of the platform. Let's just go back and change that cover page so you can see how that's done and how it gets updated. So you can click close, and now you can see cover and content page. Let's click on cover page. Take that image off, and then we can literally just pick a new one. Let's go to downloads. There'll probably be some images in there. Let's put one of a surveyor on there. It's gone in. Click update. And the easiest thing then, you go back to report. Click View HTML. So clicking on that, you can see that will just re-render and put that photo in. So the image is back on the cover page. Really easily done. And you can now click share. That share button will open up a nice little link that you can send to somebody, and they don't need access to the system to actually view the report you've just created. It's that easy. And once you've done all of your report generation, if you do need to create another report or a summary page or anything like that, I mean, we haven't got enough data in this survey. We'll do other videos on this in more detail. But once you've created a report, it then sits, when you click reports next time, you can see it there, and you can see it in the menu of reports you can create from existing. So when you click on that, it just sets a structure up for you. You just go in and let the system know how you want to actually present the information. But that's it, all done.